Hey guys, Tryittwins here. In this video, we are going to be telling you guys how to do, well, if you haven't already read the title, a messy bun slash curly bun. This is for type 4 hair. We have mostly 4C. You can see it's on our hair right now. This is the end result. And we're going to be showing you guys how to do that in today's video. And it's really quick, only about 5 minutes. And yeah, it just uses a few materials. Alright, so our hair is loose right now. It's just completely loose. It's actually a bit stretched. We twisted our hair actually last night to give ourselves some more curl. I know it might seem kind of a lot of work just to do a little puff, but this will really make your texture pop in your puff. It really does, y'all. I did braids on mine. And yeah, it helps it make it look bigger. So the bobby pins, that's actually optional. You don't really have to use them if you don't want to, but we use bands, gel, brushes. She used bobby pins and edge brushes or toothbrushes, you know. Alright, so we got our big bands. We actually I think we made a video on how to do a bigger puff, which showed you guys a little more about how to like increase the size of you guys' puff before you put it into the bun. But make sure your hair is nice and slick. That's where we're using our Eco Gel for. You can use any gel that you have though. We just prefer Eco Gel. Sometimes we'll use our Gorilla Snot. It doesn't really matter. Our Gorilla Gel. Yes. But it doesn't really matter. And you can see we'll put a little water in our fingers first, and then we'll put the gel on. Because like for some reason that kind of helps it not flake up as much. It makes it not quite as hard. And it still has like the same results. You just brush it. You don't gotta get it like, you know, really smooth, like 1A smooth. Just brush it down a bit so it's not fuzzy. This is like a nice arm workout, you guys. I swear, like, we get some good arms by just doing our natural hair because we're always lifting our arms and pulling them into puffs. And if you want to get some arm muscles, then do this. It's taking a while to pull our hair back. We really want a slick puff, you guys. Like, I feel like that a puff can be so good, but if your edges and everything around it is fuzzy, it kind of just really messes up the look. So that's why we're focusing so much on this right now. And that's how it is when you're working with type 4 hair. Sometimes it's just kind of hard to get it to hold down. So we really wanted to. We were trying to look kind of cute. So we have our bands. They're really big bands because you can't really use small bands. And mine is like actually broken. It's just tied around. And the other one is just a normal band. So you can see if you watch our big puff video, it'll really get into more depth on this. But basically you just take the big band, you like wrap it one time, like what she's doing, how you kind of can see how she's starting her second loop. And that's what you have to do. You have to like pull it around all your hair. You don't grab all your hair and put it into the band. You have to wrap the band around all your hair through looping it like twice. I just slowly pulled it back using my fingers to pull the band back. This will make it slick. And then I just like double lapped it. And now I'm just gonna like pull it back. Yeah, I just have the band. Yeah, and we're showing this video. One of us is doing like a more back bun and the other one is doing a more higher up bun. And you can see this is like the finishing touches. That's how you can really get it smooth this way. And you just pull it as like pretty tight. You might have to do it 3 times. And yeah, that's pretty good with just 2 or 3 times. And you can see right then we wrapped it around like that 3rd time. And it's really easy. You just catch in the rest of your hair like that 3rd time you wrap it in. And then if you need to, I sometimes use hairpins in case some of my hair is falling down. I really don't want to do like a little ponytail or something. So then I'll take up the extra pieces that didn't get caught on like my 3rd lap around on my band, and I just like hairpin it. You just want to make it look big. Like I used a comb right then, but you don't always actually, like, I don't normally use a comb. You can just use your fingers, fluff it up a bit, make it look cute, lay your edges, and it's really easy. Like if you didn't quite get that bun process, all you have to do when you're wrapping around, in your last loop, you just catch in the rest of the hair. And you kind of like, it's just kind of like loose because you don't catch it in tightly because like the band just doesn't really catch it that tight. You just catch it in and then you can use your fingers and fluff it up a bit. If that makes sense. This is like a really easy hairstyle. It's really fast. And it almost seems like that you could just do this. I think a lot of people just forget that natural hair girls can like do buns like this. Sometimes we'll do like donut buns or we'll just do puffs. But this is kind of like a mixture of them. You get the bun and you get like a puff look. And I mean, altogether, it's a pretty hairstyle. Sometimes we'll leave like little side ringlets down by her puff. And we actually have a video also on side ringlets. we have two, to be honest. Exactly. We got it all, you guys. And you can doll the style up a bit using flowers, whatever you want. And it may kind of look like a puff, but it is a bun. At least a big bun. That's what we promise. Got the flowers. This is going to be really pretty, especially when spring comes around. Teach you guys flowers out and wear your good pastel colors. And we also have like a darker flower, like a more brown flower, which is like a little more dark and a little more formal, I guess. Alright, and handy dandy scarf. So you can tie it down and it'll be smoother. Like always, that's what a scarf's supposed to do. We both have one. And you don't even have to leave it on for that long. You just wrap it around your hair right quick and it'll just lay it down. And when it does, normally it'll lay it down pretty good for us most of the day, especially with that gel on it. Pretty secures it nicely. We don't even do it long. All you have to really do is put the scarf on a little while because the gel will really like seal it down. So it's not like you have to tie it up for like not even 10 minutes. You can literally do it like 2 minutes. Yeah. And it would already look better. You can choose whether or not you want to put the scarf on the bun part too, or if you just want to wrap it around the part that's not in the bun. Either one, it doesn't really matter. But one of them, it'll help you make the puff even look smoother. And right then, you can see I wrapped another band around, which that part is not that necessary, but it actually does give it a little bit more of a bun look, but you do not have to do that. I was just doing it to show you guys how it can look a bit smaller. And yeah. You guys really see all the looks. She has her more top bun. I have a back one. And yeah, it's a really pretty hairstyle. Good for any kind of occasion. Formal, casual, anything. You can see we're kind of feeling ourselves. So you know it's cute. But thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you guys next time. Don't forget to like, comment down below, and subscribe.